this is a really great question that's kind of combining a few things we've talked about. Since the K-1 visa process is stopped, can we just stop the process? I think they mean the K-1, the fiance process, and get married and start a CR1 visa process, even though we already got approved for the K-1 visa?
You are certainly able to do that legally. You know, that's totally fine. You would just, you can do that. But the thing is, it probably is not going to help you because the K-1 process right now is delayed to get an interview, but you're in line in your spot in the interview. And if you get married and then file an I-130 to do your whole CR1 process, you're going to start back with the petition phase with USCIS and put yourself another 6 to 8 months to year and a half behind from starting over. So for most people, that's not going to be beneficial. They just, you know, kind of have to wait to get this K-1 interview. But for some people, I know that, you know, that still could be an option, but you really would be starting over. So that's not ideal. I know it seems like that should be. I think one thing I want to mention just on this question is that I know that a lot of the discussions about K-1s online, there seems to be a misconception that that K-1s are not going to move forward at all, or they're totally banned, or that they are facing a disadvantage that the CR1s aren't. But in reality, our CR1 clients, our spouse visa clients, are also all frustrated right now and waiting for interviews. So it's across the board. I mean, there's some variations between embassies, but the chances are the embassies are going to start processing your case if you're already at that point before you would actually be able to get in the other line and get all the way up to the same point. So it's a good question, though. I know those are questions we all have to ask.
All right. Well, thanks so much, Claire. I know that there are a few questions that we didn't have time to answer today, but we encourage you to watch our YouTube videos to get more clarification, join our Facebook page and participate in the discussions there, and come back next week to get more updates and ask more questions about everything that's going on in immigration.
Yes, it was wonderful seeing everybody. Thank you so much and have a good rest of your day.